Writing a best-selling novel is a dream for many aspiring writers. However, it's not an easy task to achieve. It requires hard work, dedication, and a lot of perseverance. In this article, we'll explore some tips and strategies for writing a best-selling novel. Find your niche. The first step to writing a best-selling novel is to find your niche. This means finding the genre or category of books that you're most interested in writing about. It could be romance, thriller, sci-fi, fantasy, or any other genre. It's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about because it will keep you motivated throughout the writing process. Develop your characters. The characters in your novel are the heart and soul of your story. They should be well-developed, relatable, and memorable. Spend time getting to know your characters and understanding their motivations, desires, and fears. Create a backstory for each character and ensure that their actions are consistent with their personality traits. Plot your story. A well-crafted plot is essential for a best-selling novel. Start by creating an outline for your story, including the major plot points and the ending. Make sure that your plot is compelling and engages the reader from the very beginning. Incorporate conflict and tension into your story to keep the reader interested. Write with clarity. Writing with clarity is essential for engaging your readers. Use simple language and avoid unnecessary jargon or technical terms. Be concise and to the point. Use vivid descriptions to create a mental picture for the reader. Edit and revise. Editing and revising your work is critical to writing a best-selling novel. It's rare for a first draft to be perfect, so take the time to revise and improve your work. Check for grammar and spelling errors, inconsistencies, and plot holes. Get feedback from beta readers or a professional editor to help improve your work. Marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion are essential for selling your novel. Use social media platforms, book clubs, and literary events to connect with your readers. Build an author platform by creating a website or blog where readers can learn more about you and your work. Conclusion. Writing a best-selling novel is a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these tips and strategies, you can improve your chances of writing a novel that resonates with readers and sells well. Remember to stay dedicated, work hard, and believe in yourself. With perseverance and a little bit of luck, you could be the next best-selling author.